Today, Ini is dancing on the vulcan.
No, today we are dancing on the vulcan. Like dancing on the vulcan.
KOS, the island of 6 cultures.
2 weeks cost with only €200 each person. A boat trip with such a small budget will become very expensive. We drive to the harbor of Cartagena by bus. A short walk to the ship where the tour guide is already waiting. On the boat trip in the direction to Nisyros, we make a short stop on the small island Agios Antonios. Also snacks are served. Relaxed and refreshed, we are going further. Passing the neighbor island Giali, on which pumice stone is mined. On the tour, we listen to the origin story of Nisyros.
Poseidon, the god of the seas, was chasing the giant Polybotes. On the island KOS, it came to the showdown. Polybotes tried to escape, but Poseidon took his trident and broke out a piece of the island KOS. And he threw it into the direction of Polybotes. The piece was flying through the air and hit Polybotes. But the giant wasn't killed. He became unconscious. And every time when there's an earthquake on Nisyros, it's Polybotes who tries to break free.
Let's hope that Polybotes behaves quiet today. We are leaving the ship at the harbor of Nisyros. From here, we are going further by bus to a ticket office. The entrance fee is €3 per person. For children under 12 years, the entrance is free.
Nisyros.
Certainly, Nisyros has become world famous because of its Stefanos crater. Here we are talking about a very special crater. Worldwide, there are only 3 volcans of this type. One is in Indonesia, second is in Chile, and the third is here.
Ist in Chile und ein dritter ist hier. Der Krater selbst hat eine Ausdehnung.
The caldera itself has an expansion of 4.8 kilometers and the width took 4.75 kilometers. The Stefanos crater, the hole itself, is 360 meters by 380 meters, so it's almost round.
Es ist fast abgerundet.
This is the highlight of the tour, a walk down to the vulcan. You really can smell the sulfur here and can really feel the volcanic activity. It's not possible to capture this with the camera.
Unfortunately, 1 hour passed away too fast. We would like to stay longer to interview the geologists with questions until the crows come
Da
home.
oben, da, die Geologen müssen wir besuchen gehen hier. Die müssen wir interviewen, die Geologen.
In the evening, we return to KOS to process our experiences. For the boat trip and the entrance fee to the volcano, we had to spend a total of 122 euro. We bought some other stuff and spent a total of 136,50 euro. For the next 8 days, we have 195,60 euro. And in the next episode, we want to rent a scooter for the rest of the time. Do you think the money will be enough?
Hier haben wir so Schwefelsteinchen jetzt hier.
Hier darf man?
Da meinte man, darf sich hier was... Man darf sich hier so... Oh, ist heiß, oh ja.
Oh ja, guck mal, da kommt Dampf raus.
Richtig kommt Hitze aus dem Boden raus.
Ja. Nee, lass das mal. Lass das mal, hallo.
When we talk about an eruption, then we are talking about sulfur steam. Steam comes
Steht dann
out,
nachher.
the sulfur
Jetzt willst du auch einer haben, ne?
where it
Da glitzert
condenses,
hier.
you can pick up some stones. It's not forbidden. You can export it, nobody will stop you.
Ja, es ist vulkanisch. Nee.
Lass das nachher stößt du hier noch was. Lass das, Nils, komm. Nachher stößt du irgendwas an und dann kommt es wirklich hoch. Komm mal mit.
Ja.
Nisyros is the biggest earthquake-prone area in Greece.
Thank you for watching. If you don't want to miss what's next, turn right at the bell and bing bing bing! Thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and to switch off.
Yes, very important, don't forget it.